don't know why I let you talk me today. I ain't got nothing to hold on to but the door handle. I was scared to grab the door handle, open the door, fall out. I was like, Lord Jesus. And then it had like it didn't want to get up. I was like, oh my God. Drink, baby. Not thirsty.
Now this is a natural feature out here. The Valley Glacier, so it's outside really cold right in this area. And you know, if you were outside for a few seconds,
Alrighty guys, so we are going to come across a few streams, a few meltwater streams in fact. This is the glacier just actively melting in front of us. And this is a good way we lose a lot of our ice out here. These streams that come across the surface start to carve out different features in the ice, being that the stream is fairly slow. And if you guys do want some photos, myself or Taylor, we can grab a camera from me and get a group shot or a family shot or a picture of me if you want.
Here you go, let me get you me and
Mr.
here, it's already recording, so can we turn around?
Yeah, I'll have you not go further than where I'm at.
Okay.
Perfect. There we are. Yeah. Yeah.
This is what you call living.
No, you're totally okay. I promise I'll let you get back in there.
Yes, it is.
Let me get one picture of that. I need to figure out, get the camera.
Oh! Look at the helicopter ride.